Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem is that unexpected error occurred in Instagram command when just opening any comment section of your Instagram reel, and you may face that problem that unexpected error occurred in Instagram comment. So you want to fix the issue, just simply go back to your settings of your phone, just tap on settings and just simply go to connections, and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. And simply go back to your search bar of your settings and just simply search Instagram from here. And if you didn't find an Instagram, just like that, I search on my settings Instagram, just like that. I didn't find, so I'm gonna search that, and you have to just permission all allow it from here, and just go back and just go to the storage section and just clear the cache from here, also clear the data from here, and again log in your account and just go to the that reel, just have save it in your save section and open the reel and just go to the comment section and read the comments of public. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.